Planet Ark's working with Australian Paper because Australian Paper is investing an awful lot of money in building a recycling plant in Victoria. We're really supporting that because we see it as an investment in green infrastructure in Australia. The Make It Recycle campaign is a partnership between Australian Paper and Planet Ark, which aims to increase the use of recycled office paper by Australian businesses. Australian businesses are pretty good at putting recycled paper into the recycling bin, but they're not nearly as good at actually buying it back. So this partnership is really about increasing that, the amount of paper that we're buying back and using. The Make It Recycle campaign hopes to achieve two things really. One is driving behaviour change of Australian businesses so they're buying more recycled paper, and the other is reducing the amount of Australian paper that goes into landfill. Recycling obviously diverts it from landfill, and that's a great thing for the environment and a good thing for our economy. There's a range of benefits in buying Australian made. First of all, it reduces waste going to landfill. Second, it keeps a resource, in this case paper, moving around the Australian economy, so we become less reliant on paper coming from overseas, and also means we don't have to send waste paper from here either into landfill or overseas to be processed. And it supports green jobs and green manufacturing in Australia, which is becoming increasingly important. With the investment from Australian Paper in building a recycling plant in Victoria, you can now buy recycled paper that's just as bright, just as white as non-recycled paper.